Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with a very good party glam makeup. So let's get started. Please subscribe below guys. What to do? Okay, first start by moisturizing your face of your choice. Then take a primer. Take primer in dots and then dab in your face. Don't rub, dab in your face. See how I'm doing it? You have to dab in your face. I'm going to take a CC cream now. You can take CC cream, BB cream, foundation, concealer, it depends on you. But today I have taken CC cream. I took my sponge. I'll apply some makeup fixer in the sponge so that it's a damp sponge. Damp sponge will always make your makeup look flawless. I always prefer sponge over brushes. It gives a more natural look. See, you can see now my face is looking a little even. Always apply foundation in your neck too. After this you can go ahead and apply concealer of your choice. If you want to skip this step, it depends on you, but today as we are going to do a very heavy makeup and it's for a party, we are going to do a little concealing. Concealing helps you to blur out the imperfection which you have in your face and it brightens your face. Then take any loose powder and apply it all over with a very gentle hand. You don't have to be very harsh. It's your face, be very gentle. Guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. After that we are going to do our very important eyebrows. I guess till now everyone has understood the importance of eyebrows. I am filling in the sparse place in my eyebrow, and always at the end of your eyebrow it should be dark and at the beginning it should be light. That's how it looks natural. If you want me to do a full tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, leave a comment down below. After that I'm going to bronze my face. Always bronze your face and apply a little at your middle of the neck too. It gives a good shadow. You have to blend it, so don't leave it like that. Blend. Keep blending. Then we are going to take blush. And I'll apply blush very generously because it's a party look. Can you see my cheeks? So red. I'm taking a very light color eyeshadow in my eyes, and firstly I'm applying that in both my eyes, and then we'll do what we can blend that so that you don't have very harsh looking edges at your eyes. Then I'm going to take a golden color from the eyeshadow palette. It's a Smashbox eyeshadow palette. I'm going to link that in the description bar below. Then I'm taking the darkest shade and I'm going to draw a little wing. So I'm not using eyeliner till now, so I'm going to draw a little wing with the help of dark eyeshadow. You can obviously do this too, because with eyeshadow if you draw a liner, it looks a way softer and it looks good. You can try this. After that I'm going to make a cat line. Because it's a party makeup look, we want to look glamorous. I'm going to do the cat eyeliner in both my eyes now. Let's apply some mascara now. This is MAC mascara. This is a good mascara. It's a expensive mascara, but I do not like this mascara very much, for the only fact because if it goes in your eyes, you will be crying for a long time. I'm taking my highlighter. Actually, this highlighter is broken. That is the reason I didn't show you here. But this is a beautiful highlighter from Becca. It's broken. I'm still using it because I paid for it, so I have to use it, guys. Highlighter makes you look glowy. It looks really beautiful. Now I'm taking some more blush. I'm going crazy here. Now, as our full face is glowy and golden, I am going to be little neutral with my lips, and I am taking a nude lipstick and I've applied that. I will write in the description box what I have used. You can check that out for sure. And the final step, I'm going to apply some makeup fixer here. It blends everything. It blends so beautifully. It looks nice. And here's the final look. I hope you like this look. Thank you. Please subscribe down below.